Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use the Hyundai Translation Earbuds, step by step. Let's get started. First, make sure your earbuds are fully charged. Place them inside the case, connect the charging cable, and let them charge. To power them on, simply take them out of the case. They'll turn on automatically. Next, download the Unbox Translation app from the App Store or Google Play. This app is what allows the earbuds to translate in real time. Open your phone's Bluetooth settings, look for Hyundai Translation Earbuds, and tap to connect. Once paired, the earbuds will also sync with the Unbox Translation app. Now open the app. Here, you can select the two languages you want to translate. For example, English to Korean or Arabic to Spanish, whichever you need. Here's the fun part. Put one earbud in your ear and give the other to the person you're speaking with. When you talk, the earbuds will instantly translate your voice into their language, and vice versa. You can also use the listen mode. Just keep both earbuds and let the app translate conversations around you in real time. Speak slowly and clearly for best results. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. Keep the earbuds charged before traveling. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.